In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Ads billing set up properly so you can start advertising now. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of these next few minutes, you'll have everything ready to launch your advertising campaigns without any hitches. First, let's head over to the Google Ads website. Open your web browser and type in the URL ads.google.com. Once the page loads, you should see an overview of what Google Ads offers. If you're new to Google Ads, take a moment to glance over the features and benefits. When you're ready, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click that and log in using your Google account credentials. After signing in, you will be directed to the Google Ads homepage. This is where you'll manage all your advertising efforts. On the left-hand sidebar, there is a navigation menu. You'll want to look through this menu for a section labeled Billing. Once you find it, click on it. You are now entering the billing section of Google Ads, which is crucial for ensuring your ads are funded and run smoothly. Upon entering the billing section, your next task is to locate and click on Payment Methods. Think of this as the control center for how you'll pay for your ad campaigns. Here you can manage existing payment options, or if necessary, set up new ones to optimize how transactions are processed. Now let's add a new payment method. Look for a button that says ADD Payment Method. Click on it and you'll be presented with a form to fill out. This form will typically ask for credit card details or other payment information. Be sure to enter this information accurately. A small tip: preparing your payment details ahead of time can speed up this step considerably. As you type in your information, double check to avoid any errors, as this could lead to delays in getting your ad started. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, submit the information as instructed and you'll be all set. Your payment method has now been updated and you are ready to start advertising. With your Google Ads billing properly set up, your ads can now run without interruptions, allowing you to focus on creating effective advertising campaigns that reach your audience. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Google Ads billing. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher at any point. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.